Good morning, grade 8. This is lesson number 8 now, and the chapter is Fundamentals of Chemistry. The topic today is molecular mass and formula mass, given on page number 23. Molecular mass. You know what is molecule, which is made up of two or more than two atoms which join chemically and which can exist in gaseous form, solid form and liquid form, and which can exist free. So what is molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of relative atomic masses of all atoms present in the molecule. Means the atoms present in the molecules always have their relative atomic masses. So taking sum of the relative atomic masses of all atoms present in a molecule is called the molecular mass. Clear? Molecular mass of a substance can be calculated by adding relative atomic masses of all the atoms in one molecule of the substance. Consider, for example, water molecule H2O. So, relative mass of hydrogen and relative mass of oxygen should be added together, then it will give molecular mass of a water molecule. But how many atoms of water? 2 and 1 of oxygen. So total 3 atoms are there in water molecule. By taking sum of all of the 3 atoms, we will get molecular mass of water. Now here it is molecular formula of ethane C2H6. Means total 8 atoms, 2 of carbon and 6 of hydrogen. So we have to take sum of 2 atoms of carbon and 6 of hydrogen. First of all, we should know the atomic mass of that atoms in the molecule. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Molecular mass of ethane, how to calculate it? 2 into atomic mass of carbon. Means atomic mass of carbon into 2. Why into 2? Multiply with 2 because 2 atoms of carbon are present. And 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, and 6 means 6 atoms are present. So 2 atoms of carbon into atomic mass of carbon. Clear? Plus 6 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen. 12 into 2, 24 and 6 into 1, 6. So just add it. It becomes 30 AMU, atomic mass unit. Clear? Relative atomic masses का जो यूनिट है वो एटॉमिक मास यूनिट है, या आप ग्राम में भी ले सकते हो उसको. अगर ग्राम में गिवन है इधर तो आपके पास यूनिट भी ग्राम में आएगा, इधर AMU में है तो आपके पास इधर भी यूनिट AMU में आएगा. So molecular mass of ethane is 30 AMU. Is it clear? Coming towards formula mass. So formula mass is actually a formula unit, and formula unit is for what? For ionic compound. So formula mass is of ionic compound. Formula mass is the sum of the atomic masses of ions or atoms present in the formula unit of ionic compound. Clear? Formula unit of table salt means sodium chloride is, for example, NaCl. That is the formula unit. So by adding atomic mass of sodium and chloride ion, we will get formula mass of sodium chloride. Clear? So formula mass is the mass of formula unit of a ionic compound. The formula mass is calculated in the same manner as we did for the molecular mass. Means we have to add up the atomic masses of ions present in formula unit. Thus for NaCl, formula mass of NaCl is 1. Why? Because there is 1 atom of sodium. 1 into atomic mass of sodium plus 1 into atomic mass of chloride ion. So atomic mass unit of sodium is 23 AMU and that of chlorine is 35.5 AMU. So multiply it with 1 and this one also. So answer is 23 AMU plus 35.5 AMU and you will get your answer, that is 58.5 AMU, formula mass of NaCl. I hope this is clear because this is very easy to understand if your mathematics is good. Okay, how to calculate the molecular mass or formula mass? Here it is example 1.2 in your book, page number 24. Calculate the formula mass of NH4 whole 2 SO3. And second one is FeNO3 whole 2. Now this 3 and whole 2 means 3 is for oxygen, but this 2 is also for oxygen because the bracket is for N and O. Here N with 1, but outside the bracket there is 2, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2, means 2 atoms of nitrogen are present here and 3 of oxygen, but also a 2 outside the bracket, so 3 into 2 is equal to 6, so 6 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of nitrogen and 1 atom of iron. Now come towards this one, N1, but outside the bracket 2 is present, so 2 atoms of nitrogen, 4 atoms of hydrogen, but outside it's 2, so 4 into 2 will multiply, and that means hydrogen will have 8 atoms. Sulfur 1 atom and oxygen 3 atoms. Clear? Now coming towards its solution, 2 atoms of nitrogen are present, so 2 into atomic mass unit of nitrogen, that is 14 atomic mass unit, so it becomes 28. 8 atoms of hydrogen, multiply it with relative atomic mass of hydrogen, and that is 8. 1 sulfur means 1 into atomic mass of sulfur, and 3 into O means 3 atoms of oxygen, multiply with 16 atomic mass unit, so you will get the mass for 3 atoms of oxygen present in the molecule. Now you get your answers for each atoms, then add them up and you will get the formula mass, that is 116 AMU. Is it clear? This is in the same way as above, so you have to calculate it by your own. Just check it कि आपके पास ये जो यहाँ पर calculation है ये ठीक है कि नहीं है, ठीक है? So you have to take it stepwise for each of the atom and you have to calculate it for number of atoms, means कितने number of atoms हैं हर एक element के लिए. Is it clear? Now coming towards your homework, the question is only one, and that is you have to calculate the formula mass of KCl and second one is sodium carbonate. First one potassium chloride, this is sodium carbonate Na2CO3. So this means how many atoms of nitrogen? Sodium. You have to multiply 2 with atomic mass or relative atomic mass of sodium. In the same way you have to do it. I hope you have to do it in your notebook. Okay class? Thank you.